Okay, gentlemen. Basically, the sessions are quite important. हमारे सामने जो गेस्ट अभी आ चुके हैं, because as I told you, there will be two sessions today. Exam ठीक रहा आज का? Yes, sir. Good. Thing is that with us Captain Rohit Kumar Singh from Merchant Navy. He is with us here. First, the introduction and finalization of the Merchant Navy by Captain Rohit Kumar Singh. So first of all, clapping him, I welcome sir for this program. Mr. Raghav Bhatnagar, he is with us here from Art of Living team. And Mr. Sandeep Kumar, welcome sir for this program. And Mr. Nitin Jain is about to come. And Mrs. Nandita Singh, the wife of Captain Rohit Kumar Singh. हम सारी टीम को वेलकम करते हैं और आई थिंक दिस सेशन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. आप लोगों का एग्जाम है, एज आई टोल्ड इन द क्लासरूम, आप लोगों का भी एग्जाम है अभी NDA 1 2026 और ये मेडिटेशंस है, एकाग्रता लाना, अपनी पढ़ाई कैसे करनी है, ये सब आपको हेल्पफुल होने वाला है इस प्रोग्राम में. तो आप पीसफुली मेंटेन द डिसिप्लिन ऑल द वे थ्रू आउट द ड्यूरेशन. ठीक है बेटा? हाँ, तो स्टेट में हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं सर का प्रोग्राम होगा, उसके बाद स्टेट में गो टू दिस मेडिटेशंस एंड मेंटल फॉर्टिट्यूड्स बाय द आर्ट लिविंग टीम्स. ओके, एंड फर्स्ट आई विल रिक्वेस्ट कैप्टन रोहित कुमार सिंह टू स्टार्ट द थिंग्स फॉर द अबाउट द मर्चेंट नेवी. आपके जैसे कि आपको पता है कि ऑल आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द डिफरेंट कोर्सेज हियर. ओके, कुछ बच्चे हैं जो स्पेशली दे आर टेकिंग द कोचिंग हियर फॉर द मर्चेंट नेवी. इसके अलावा कई बच्चे हैं जो NDA की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स. यहाँ आपके पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. हमारे पास कैप्टन सर हैं, ही सेलिंग विद द एंगलशिप मैनेजमेंट. तो थोड़ा आपको आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आपके, आई थिंक यू विल टेक ओनली 10 मिनट्स. आपके पास अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है रिगार्डिंग द मर्चेंट नेवी, यू वांट आस्क समथिंग, तो सर से पूछ सकते हैं. आइए सर प्लीज.
Thank you sir for inviting us, and good morning all children. How are you all? Okay, good. Am I audible at the back? Yes sir. Okay, so let me just give you a little brief about myself. I joined traineeship Rajendra in 1989 and I passed out in 92. After that Rajendra, it turned to Chanakya. 93 the Chanakya came in. So after passing out from Rajendra, I joined an Indian company, Century Shipping, and then in the process, I joined some other companies, Tanker Pacific, and then Starship Management, and finally, I landed up with the Anglo-Eastern Ship Management in 2004, and I took my command in 2005. Since then, I've been sailing with the Anglo-Eastern. Anglo-Eastern is one of the biggest employer of Indian seafarers. It's one of the best company to sail with. It's very good for Indian, mostly the Indian staff, but you may find multinational crew on board. Like we have people that sail on board is Filipino. Along with the Indian, we have a Croatian, European, even Chinese, Japanese, and some other nationality as well, Indonesians. So now, why to join Merchant Navy? How many of you are here for aspiring to join Merchant Navy? It's only some people at the back, no? Okay. So why to join Merchant Navy? What fascinates you to join Merchant Navy? Get fast promotion and want to have an adventurous life, then this profession is good for them. Whatever salary, salary is one part, but it's very adventurous, Here everything changes at a very short span of time. You come across with a time, when you face extreme weather conditions. One time, the moment you head to the northern areas, you have sub-zero temperatures, -10, -15 degree. You have to work in that area, and again when you come to south to the Red Sea area, you have -45, +45 and 50 degree temperature. You cannot step out during the daytime. So you you face extreme weather. Ship is sailing through the calm waters, then suddenly, after a couple of days, you'll find that you are sailing through the stormy weather. So it's all full of adventure. It's unlike, shore job, where you have 9 to 5 job, but on board ship, the timing doesn't meet this criteria. You have all flexible timings. So be ready, to work for stressed hours, beyond 9 to 5. You have all the luxuries on board. The benefit of joining Merchant Navy is, that whatever salary that you earn, I have two good news for you. Whatever salary you earn on board ship, if you stay for more than 183 days out of the Indian water, you are not taxable. So whatever you earn, 100% you can save. And the second good news, that cost of living at sea is zero. You do not have to pay for any electricity charges, your accommodation, your food, laundry, everything is free. Company is paying you for moving around the world. You get an opportunity to see the world without paying any extra charges. Okay. So now I leave the forum. If you have any question, to ask me, I would say one thing, if you are a sincere student, the moment you clear any company and get into a company and pass out from that cadetship, for a sincere student, it takes 10 to 12 years to reach to the rank of the master, which is the highest post on board ship. And at such young age, now the company prefers, the masters, captains, at as young as 30 years of age. People have been sailing for 35 years, 40 years, sailing, they are still wishing to join as a master. But now the company is promoting young officers as a master. So you have a very good opportunity. At such a young age, you are given such a huge opportunity. Sailing a ship is like being in a factory. It's factory at sea which runs 24 hours a day. But this is run in a very efficient manner. Just by 20-21 people on board, a ship is run very efficiently. So I leave the forum. We have just 5-10 minutes, If you have any question regarding Merchant Navy, please ask me. Joining Merchant Navy, that will be briefed by the sir. But once you step on board ship, the challenges that you face, you ask me any question that you would like to. Yes, we have a pirates, you must have heard about it, the Gulf of Aden area, West Africa region, where the situations were very bad in the past years, There were attacks, missile attacks on board ship, But now with all those navies getting into this area, those areas are manned by different naval forces of US, India, Japan, Australia, all those forces. They keep a vigil on those areas. So now the attacks are very few, but we have to be very cautious while transiting those areas. So one, you have a protection from the different navies of the world, and also we gear up ourselves, we take all those measures so that the pirates do not board on board ship. So the chances are very little, but yes, the possibility is always there. So I welcome all those who wish to join Merchant Navy. Say again, please.
So interview के बारे में आप बताइए थोड़ा English
See, you have to go through this MUI exam, Minimum, I think, passing criteria, if I'm not wrong, it is 60%. But for a company like Anglo-Eastern, they want you to score at least 85% in class 12th exam. They will conduct their written exam online, and then they will call you once you pass that examination to their satisfaction. You will be called for interview in Delhi, Bombay, whichever area you have opted for. Then they will examine you. They will check you on all the parameters, subject-wise knowledge, your inclination to join Merchant Navy. Once they find that you are okay to join, you will join. See, you do not have to be an IITian to join Merchant Navy. You just have to be consistent in your study. You have to be focused. When your action, when your efforts, intention all align to your goal, you will definitely reach there.
Thank you, sir.
I have told you what all the benefits are there to join Merchant Navy, but how to reach there, how to remain consistent in life. I have the speaker Nandita Singh who will brief you. Nandita Singh is the Art of Living State Teacher Coordinator and also a great volunteer for the Art of Living. She has been running our school for the past 16 years and devoted volunteer to Art of Living. So hand over to Nandita.
Okay, thanks for the guidance, sir.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.